Cash Giraffe shows already redeemed. When the system detects that the reward code, payout request, or gift card entry has already been processed under your account or another session tied to the same login. By the end, you'll understand why Cash Giraffe is showing already redeemed and the exact steps to fix it so you can actually claim your reward. First thing to check is whether the reward was already processed in the background. Sometimes the redemption completes on the server, but the app doesn't update the screen properly, so it keeps showing the error even though the payout already went through. Next, check your transaction history inside the app. Look for any completed or pending payouts that match the same reward amount or gift card. If it appears there, the redemption is already done, and trying again will always trigger the same message. Another common cause is double tapping or retrying too quickly. If you submit a redemption request and tap again before the first one finishes syncing, the system can register both attempts and mark the second one as already redeemed. Also check if you're logged into multiple devices. Cash Giraffe ties redemption status to your account session. So if one device completes a redemption, another device may still show an outdated screen and trigger the error when you try again. If nothing shows in your history, the issue may be a sync bug. In that case, force close the app completely and reopen it. This forces a fresh server sync and often updates the redemption status correctly. Clearing cache can also help. Old cache data sometimes keeps the redeem failed message stored locally even after the server has already reset your reward status. Another step is to log out and log back in using the same account method you originally used. This resets your session token and forces the app to recheck all redemption records tied to your account. If the issue is happening with a specific gift card code, make sure it hasn't been partially accepted on another platform like PayPal or a gift card provider. Some redemptions complete instantly outside the app, but still show errors inside Cash Giraffe due to delayed syncing. If none of these steps work, the final possibility is a server-side duplication bug, where the system incorrectly flags a valid redemption as already used. That usually requires support to manually verify and reset the transaction. Quick summary: already redeemed usually means the reward was already processed, the app didn't sync properly, or the request was submitted twice. Check your history first, then refresh your session, then clear cache if needed. Most cases are not lost rewards, just duplicate or delayed status updates. If this helped, like and subscribe for more fix guides like this.